Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of why we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.